A lot of people have lost one of the greatest assets that God has given to them. A lot of people have lost confidence. They have even refused to socialize with people because of the fact that this particular area has not been maximized. And this asset I'm talking about is your smile. Yes, your smile. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can effectively whiten your teeth using a natural remedy that I have tried and it worked for me. So, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. And if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. You are on the right channel. And if you're an existing subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for sticking with us. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please join this healthy family and let's enjoy a totally healthy and sustainable life. So please click the subscribe button and join this family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one amazing and super effective natural remedy that I have found out that helps me whiten my teeth. And this remedy can work for you also. And I can assure you that within 7 days or more, you will be able to see amazing results. Now, this is it. If you actually have a tooth problem, you can as well visit your dentist. But I would say that this remedy I'm sharing does not cancel the fact of you visiting your dentist. It is just to be able to help you to maintain that whitening that God has given to you.
So here are some causes of teeth discoloration. While some of them can be treated using this home remedy, others may require you to visit your dentist. Let's get right into the video and let me show you how to make this simple teeth whitening home remedy. Firstly, you're going to be cleaning some sticks of carrot, and I am using just 2 sticks of carrot because all I want to do is just a teeth whitening for myself, and all I'll be doing is to grate the carrot to tiny bits. You can as well use your blender for faster result, but I just wanted to show you the manual way for those who may not have a blender at home so that you won't have any itch. After grating this, what you will be doing next is to extract the juice of this carrot, and I'm going to be using my sieve. I am extracting every single juice out of this carrot, and it is as easy as that. So please don't forget, if you have not liked this video, click the like button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, share in the comment section what you think about this recipe and if you're going to try this remedy, and click the notification bell so that you can be the first to also know whenever we make a new upload. And now our carrot juice is ready, and the next thing I will be needing is my lemon. I am adding lemon to this just to balance the whole thing. Some persons are so conversant with baking soda, activated charcoal, hydrogen peroxide, and the rest of it, but I'm not going to be using any of those in this teeth whitening remedy. So please just watch till the end and see. So I'm going to be getting a tablespoon of the lemon juice, and try as much as possible to avoid adding the seed of the lemon, and you stir properly to give it a good mix. And the last thing I will be adding is my toothpaste. You can also use any other toothpaste of your choice, but try to avoid the red toothpaste extract. Ensure it is the white one. I prefer this Colgate brand because it has always given me a very great result. And then I stir properly. Try as much as possible to mix this, and then if you are going to make a larger quantity for this remedy, you can increase the quantity of the toothpaste, and this will last me for the next 3 days. And then you simply get your brush and voila, we're done. Brush your teeth with this, and I can assure you that in the next few days you're going to be seeing amazing results. Thank you so much for watching till this end. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.